find the pulse on your left wrist with your index and middle finger of your right hand. And begin to create space to feel the rhythm of your heartbeat. And once you find that rhythm and you connect to the rhythm of your heart, apply the mantra Sat Nam with each beat of your heart. Sat Nam, Sat Nam, Sat Nam. And I invite you to chant it aloud, in a whisper, or silently in your mind. And connecting to that cosmic truth. Sat means truth, Nam means name, and Sat is said to have an upward energy of reaching into the cosmos, the truth of what we really are. And Nam has a downward energy of projecting out into the world through our physical being, our gifts, our truth. And I invite you to stay here as long as you need, connecting to that truth, creating space within yourself for greater possibility, for greater clarity, more heart-centered action. Sat Nam, Sat Nam, Sat Nam, Sat Nam.